There is something magical about the way reclaimed wood holds onto stories of the past, of weather, of years spent aging naturally, and of the quiet beauty hidden beneath dust and cracks. Hello. Welcome back. In today's Kuki Decor video, the unseen beauty transforming reclaimed wood into gallery-worthy masterpiece ideas, we take you on a warm, inspiring journey through the art of turning forgotten scraps into breathtaking works of decor that can transform any space. As soon as you pick up a piece of reclaimed wood, you realize that what many people see as waste is actually a canvas full of character and potential. Every knot, texture, grain pattern, and weathered line adds personality that can't be replicated with new materials. That is what makes reclaimed wood so special, and why it has become a beloved medium for modern artists, home stylists, and DIY creators across the world. In this video, we explore how reclaimed wood can be shaped, carved, polished, layered, and reimagined into gallery-worthy masterpieces that become the focal point of your home, whether displayed on a living room wall, standing as a sculptural piece on a shelf, or integrated into functional decor that blends beauty with purpose. Our warm introduction welcomes you into a creative space where sustainability meets artistry, encouraging you to slow down, look closer, and truly appreciate the unseen beauty hidden in these rustic pieces. At Kuki Decor, we believe that every piece of wood deserves a second chance, and today we show you exactly how to transform it into something extraordinary. The journey begins with the simple act of choosing your reclaimed wood. Some pieces come from old barns, some from worn-out furniture, some from fallen branches, and others from construction scraps, but they all carry unique patterns that give your artwork depth and soul. As we explore these textures, you'll learn how to identify wood that works best for wall art, sculpture, or carved designs, and how to bring out its natural richness using gentle sanding, oiling, or staining without losing its authentic, aged charm. This is where the true magic begins, seeing how a dull, rugged-looking piece instantly brightens and reveals breathtaking details once the surface is touched with care. From there, we move into design inspiration, showing you how reclaimed wood can be transformed into abstract wall compositions, geometric patterns, layered 3D art pieces, rustic modern statement panels, and even intricate carved motifs inspired by nature, culture, or minimalistic shapes. If you've ever looked at a gallery wall and wondered how artists create such powerful pieces, this video pulls back the curtain and introduces you to accessible, achievable techniques that anyone can try at home. One of the most fascinating aspects of reclaimed wood art is that it doesn't require perfection. Imperfections are what make it beautiful and unique. A split running through the surface becomes a line of character. Uneven color tones create natural gradients. Old nail holes become part of the story. Slight warping adds depth and movement. As we continue exploring, you'll discover how to thoughtfully combine multiple wood pieces to create mosaic-style artwork that feels intentional and luxurious. We guide you through choosing complementary tones, arranging pieces in visually pleasing ways, and using lightweight backings to secure your design. You'll learn how to turn driftwood into elegant sculptures, how to carve organic shapes inspired by leaves, waves, or mountains, and how to use the wood's natural grain to guide your artistic expressions. Whether your style leans toward rustic charm, minimalist elegance, boho warmth, or modern geometric design, reclaimed wood adapts beautifully to every aesthetic. Throughout the video, we also dive into practical steps, cutting, sanding, sealing, and finishing, so you understand not just the creative aspect, but also the craftsmanship behind building long-lasting masterpieces. You'll learn how to highlight wood grain using oil-based finishes, how to create contrast with paint accents, and how to preserve the natural weathering so your art maintains its organic look. We even share tips for adding metallic touches, resin fills, and layered textures that elevate your artwork into something that looks professionally crafted. The transformation is always stunning. What once looked like scrap becomes something that demands attention, admiration, and conversation. As the video continues, we explore ideas for turning reclaimed wood into functional art as well, such as decorative shelves, candle stands, photo backdrops, tabletops with artistic inlays, and sculptural lamp bases. These pieces do more than decorate your home, they bring a sense of warmth, history, and sustainability that modern decor often lacks. Reclaimed wood reminds us that beauty doesn't always come from new materials, it can come from reviving, reimagining, and respecting what already exists. That message is at the heart of this video, and at the heart of the Kuki Decor community, where creativity and eco-conscious living come together every single day. As we walk you through all these masterpiece ideas, you'll feel encouraged to pick up tools, experiment with shapes, try new techniques, and trust your artistic instincts. You'll see that creating gallery-worthy decor doesn't require expensive equipment or rare materials. It simply requires imagination, passion, and a willingness to look at reclaimed wood with fresh eyes. This long, immersive video experience is designed to spark your creativity and show you that every piece of wood can become a masterpiece when you approach it with intention. And because Kuki Decor posts new videos daily, you'll always have a steady flow of inspiration to grow your skills, discover new project ideas, and continue transforming your home through sustainable artistry. So sit back, enjoy the slow, calming storytelling of each project, and let the natural textures of reclaimed wood inspire you with their quiet elegance. If you love the beauty of upcycled materials, if you enjoy watching ordinary objects become extraordinary works of art, or if you're simply looking for decor ideas that feel warm, meaningful, and handmade, this video is created especially for you. By the time you reach the end, you'll never look at old wood the same way again. Instead of seeing waste, you'll see potential. Instead of seeing flaws, you'll see character. And instead of seeing scraps, you'll see masterpieces waiting to be created. As we wrap up this creative journey, we invite you to join the Kuki Decor family by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing daily inspiration, eco-friendly ideas, and beautifully crafted woodworking projects to your screen. Thank you for watching the unseen beauty transforming reclaimed wood into gallery-worthy masterpiece ideas, and remember, the world is full of hidden treasures. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh perspective to reveal the beauty that's been there all along.